What is the roadmap to build a successful career in data protection and privacy management? Irrespective of your background, whether you are a lawyer, CA, CS, compliance professional, HR manager, MBA, techie, commerce grad, there is a 3-step formula for success that you need to follow. Our students follow this. Skills plus track record or credibility plus outreach equal to success in anything that you want. Now you see that knowledge doesn't feature in this roadmap because knowledge doesn't help you to do the work. Skills are critical. Our students are able to get results within 3 to 6 months, and it is possible for you to do this too. Let me give you the steps to follow to achieve success. Step 1 is to start learning some practical data protection and privacy management skills for important jurisdictions like Europe, Canada, US, and other jurisdictions as well. Now, while you do this, on the side, it is a great idea to start preparing for CIPP exam, because cracking the CIPP exam adds huge credibility to your profile. It is possible to get work without cracking the CIPP exam as well, but in the long run, it helps. Now, this is a completely objective type online MCQ based exam, so it's not difficult to crack. If you prepare seriously for 2 months, you can attempt it. You should attempt it for Europe at least. That's the most common one that's attempted. And for additional, credibility, you can do it for US or Canada. And it might be a great idea to also attempt the CIPM exam. Okay, so let me just explain these abbreviations. CIPP stands for Certified Information Privacy Professional, and CIPM stands for Certified Information Privacy Manager. Okay, this is about the exams. It takes you about a couple of months to prepare for one of these exams. Now, what should you do next? Remember, right now you're just learning the skills, okay, and doing some preparation for an exam. So on the side, you must start building your track record. How do you build your track record? You must start doing some remote freelance projects for potential clients. And if you are learning practical skills, you will be able to do that, provided you do a few important things. What are those? You must build your remote freelance profile on Upwork. You must put up gigs or projects that you can do for clients on Fiverr. Also, all the skills that you're learning, if you're performing any tasks, like our students perform assignments in our courses. So what they do is the assignments that they perform are uploaded on Upwork after they get feedback as their work samples. So this shows to potential clients that you're not an unskilled person. Since you've uploaded your work samples, they know that you know how to do the work. In addition to this, you can also reach out to privacy professionals in India and abroad and high potential startups in India and abroad directly through email by finding out their founders. Now, these are some of the things you should be doing to build your track record. In addition, there are a few more things like writing articles on data protection and privacy management. What will this do for you? If you've published 10 or 20 articles in this area, your Google footprint actually goes to the next level. Potential clients or recruiters who want to consider working with you, they'll first look you up on the internet to see what do you actually do. Do you have expertise in this area? And when they find that you've written so much, you publish so much in this area, then they truly consider you to be a knowledgeable person, somebody who has genuine expertise. Also, since you are learning all these practical skills, learning new things about the law, having new experiences with potential clients, it's a great idea to regularly put up engaging posts on your social media profile as well. Now, at this point in time, it is fine if you do not worry about charging, okay? Be open to doing a few projects for free just to establish your value and what you can deliver. And after that, once clients see that you can deliver the work, you can charge $10 per hour or even more. Many of our students charge $30, $50 as well. So if you are charging $10 per hour, as I said earlier, just by working for 200 hours, you can earn $2,000 a month. This is 8 hours a day, 6 days of the week. So this puts you on a very comfortable pedestal. And after that, as you gain your track record, have more testimonials, get introductions to more high-paying clients, because you're also constantly doing your outreach, right? So you can earn much more. Now at this point, once you do this for about 3 to 6 months, you have a few options that open up for you. Of course, you can continue to increase your rates as a freelancer. You can hire a junior also, a trained junior, who can do the work while you focus on getting more clients and increase the turnover and profitability of your firm. You can do all of that. But if you want to work in jobs, then here are a few things that open up for you. One is that one of your international clients, one is that one of your remote freelance clients may want to give you a part-time or full-time remote job as they have a steady stream of work to give you. It can also happen that one of the Indian startups that you're working for is expanding internationally and they need somebody to assist them regularly with data protection and privacy management work. This is an option to get a domestic job. The third thing that can happen is that you can apply for jobs with Big Four or law firms or larger corporations, data protection, consultancy firms, because they are always looking out for professionals who can do the work in this area. Since you've already got this huge track record of freelance work, you know the practical skills, you've got your CIPP qualification, you will be in a great place to get such jobs. And trust me, in data protection and privacy management, people are able to get jobs much faster than in other areas once they have the skills, because the demand is so high. Do you foresee yourself doing this? You can achieve all of this in 6 months. In my next video, I'm going to share some more insights on how to network with Big Four partners in India and abroad. Watch out for it.